Welcome back to another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how to attach a socket to a Ryobi drill. Now if we have a look at this Amazon Basics toolbox here, it has multiple tools in it, including socket sets like this, what are easy to add to your drill. It also comes with this magnetic tool attacher, which makes it even easier to attach. So if we add this to our drill, we can then just pop any of the socket sets into it like that, and we've quickly turned our Ryobi drill into a socket set. So the Amazon Basics, you can just get these end parts like this. However, getting a dedicated socket set for a drill is perfect, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can get them from. So hopefully that helps you out how to attach a socket to your Ryobi drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.